Hi everyone, welcome to Season 1, Episode 4 of Mommy and Me Tutorials.
So we have another question on fractions. So fractions is a big part of the syllabus, isn't it? I wonder what fraction of the syllabus is fractions.
No.
All right, so let's read. Do you want to read or shall I read?
I read.
Okay, go ahead.
Mother picked a bag of mangoes and shared them among her 3 children, Ariel, Adam, and Louisa, leaving no remainder. Adam received 108 mangoes, but Louisa received 5/9 of his amount. If Ariel was given 13 more than Louisa, how many mangoes did Mother's bag contain at first?
Okay, so who's Adam though?
Well, actually, Adam is the beast's name from Beauty and the Beast.
Really? I did not know that. And this mummy had 3 children, Ariel, Adam, and Louisa.
Yes.
So one child was a mermaid. And the other one was blessed with superhuman strength.
Super strength.
And the other one was
A beast.
well, he turned into a
Oh.
beast eventually. Okay.
He's a prince.
Okay. How many mangoes did Adam receive?
Adam received 108 mangoes.
Okay. And how many mangoes did Louisa receive?
5/9 of Adam's amount.
So Louisa's amount is based on Adam's amount. So that's why we'll pull out the information for Adam first. Yes? Okay. All right. Continue. So how many mangoes did Ariel receive?
Ariel was given 13 more than Louisa.
Okay. So Ariel's amount is based on Louisa's amount. So that's why we have Adam's amount first. Then we calculate Louisa's amount because it was based on Adam's amount. And lastly, we'll calculate Ariel's amount.
Because it was based on Louisa's amount.
Okay, so that's how we're putting out the information in that order. Now, looking at this section, do you see any keywords? Of. What does of mean?
The word of means to multiply.
Of means to multiply. Okay, so that's important. So when we see 5/9 of, it means to multiply that amount. Okay. And then in this section here, if Ariel was given 13 more than Louisa, do you see any keywords?
More than will be the keyword.
More than. And what exactly does more than mean?
More than means you have to add.
Add. Okay. So important keywords. Great. So let's begin. We know Adam had how many mangoes?
108 mangoes.
No problem. So what are our steps though?
The first thing we should do is to calculate Louisa's amount.
How do we calculate Louisa's amount?
We have to calculate 5/9 multiplied by
So that's what that of
108.
means. So
Yes.
we're going to use it here. Multiply by Adam's amount. Okay. So we have Adam's amount here. So we're going to apply that. So tell me how we're going to do this.
So we have it laid out there. 5/9 multiplied by 108 over 1.
And that 108 was from Adam's amount.
mangoes, the
Right.
amount.
Adam had 108 mangoes and Louisa had 5/9 of, which multiply
Adam's
by
amount.
108 over 1. Can you multiply for us and show us how to do it, please?
Sure. So 9 divided by 9 is 1.
Got it.
So we're going to divide into our
No.
numerator. 9 divided by 108 is
Can 9
12.
divide by 100?
108 divided by 9 is 12.
12. Okay, so 9 into 9, 1. 9 into 108 is 12. And what do we do next?
So since none of our denominators can go into our numerators, we multiply our numerators across.
Okay,
5 times 12 would be 60 mangoes.
60 divided by 1, which is simply 60 mangoes. So far we know that Adam has 108 mangoes and Louisa has 60 mangoes. So what do we know about Ariel? What information did the question give us again?
Ariel had 13 more than Louisa.
And we said,
more than means that we have to add. So
tell us now, what shall we do here?
To calculate Ariel's amount, we should take the amount that Louisa received, which is 60 mangoes.
Right, there's
And-
60 here,
Yes. And add the 13 more that she was given
right?
to get 73 mangoes.
Okay, great. So I think that's okay. So far Adam has
108 mangoes. Louisa has 60 mangoes.
and
Ariel has 73 mangoes.
What's the next step?
The next step is to calculate the total amount of mangoes that Adam, Louisa, and Ariel have all together.
And that will tell us
However,
what?
that total would tell us how many mangoes mother's bag contained at first before she gave any to her children.
And that's what the question asked us, right? How many mangoes did mother's bag have at first initially before she distributed the mangoes to her children? Okay, so we know that we have 108 mangoes from given to Adam,
plus
60,
60, which was given to Louisa, plus 73, which was given to Ariel.
Mhm.
When we add these numbers up now, we'll get 241 mangoes that mother's bag contained at first.
Oh, that must have been a heavy bag though. Mother was strong. She probably had superpowers, super strength like
Like
Louisa. And our final answer is 241 mangoes,
Mangoes.
which is how many mangoes mother's bag contained at first. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you understand how to break apart the question and analyze it, understand it.
Underline
Yes.
keywords.
Yes. Okay, bye for
Bye,
now.
guys.